Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Miss Teena English Podcast. I'm Teena, and we're so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Jimin. Whether you're studying English, traveling to work, relaxing at home, or simply taking a break, thank you for spending your time with us.
We truly appreciate every single listener who joins our podcast.
Yes, thank you so much. Learning English is a journey, and we're really happy to be a small part of yours.
Today's topic is one of my favorites.
Really? Let me guess.
Go ahead.
Is it about food?
No.
Shopping?
Nope.
Movies again?
Not this time.
I give up.
Today we're talking about traveling.
Oh, I love traveling.
Me too. Even thinking about traveling makes me feel happy.
Why do you think people love traveling so much?
Because every trip becomes a memory.
That's true.
Some memories make us laugh,
Some teach us important lessons,
and some become stories we tell for years.
especially the embarrassing ones.
Oh, yes, those are usually the funniest.
Have you ever had an embarrassing travel experience?
Oh, yes.
Tell us.
A few years ago, I packed everything for my vacation.
Sounds organized.
I packed clothes,
Good.
shoes,
Nice.
my camera,
Great.
snacks.
Even better.
But I forgot one very important thing.
What was it?
My phone charger.
Oh, no.
My phone battery died on the first day.
That must have been difficult.
Very difficult.
What did you do?
I spent half the day looking for a charger.
Did you find one?
Finally, yes.
Lucky.
Since then, I always check my bag twice before traveling.
That's a smart lesson. What about you? Have you ever forgotten something important? More than once.
Really?
One time, I arrived at the airport feeling very confident.
Sounds good so far.
I had my suitcase,
Okay,
my passport,
great.
my wallet,
Perfect.
but
There's always a but.
I forgot to book the hotel.
What?
I completely forgot.
So where did you stay?
I spent almost 2 hours searching for a hotel after I arrived.
That sounds stressful.
It was.
But now it's a funny memory.
Exactly.
Traveling is exciting.
But sometimes it can also be surprising.
Today we're going to talk about traveling in simple English.
We'll learn useful travel vocabulary.
We'll share funny travel experiences.
We'll practice real English conversations.
And we'll help you feel more confident speaking English while traveling.
Everything will be in slow and easy English.
So grab your favorite drink.
Relax.
And let's start today's conversation. Before we begin, we have a small favor to ask.
Friendly, if you enjoy learning English with us, please take a second to like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to Miss Teena English Podcast.
Every like, comment, and subscription helps our channel reach more English learners around the world.
We'd also love to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, I'm blank from blank, and answer today's question.
Which country would you love to visit one day?
Smiling, we read as many comments as we can.
Your comments always make us smile.
So thank you for being part of our English learning family.
Jimin, let me ask you something.
Sure. What's on your mind?
Why do you think people love traveling so much?
That's a great question.
Take your time.
I think traveling gives us a chance to leave our daily routine behind.
I completely agree.
Every day we wake up,
Go to work or school.
Do the same things again and again.
Sometimes life feels a little repetitive.
Exactly.
But when we travel,
Everything feels new.
new places,
New people,
new food,
new experiences.
even the air feels different sometimes.
That's true.
Traveling makes life more colorful.
It also teaches us things that books cannot.
Like what?
Different cultures,
Respecting other traditions,
meeting people with different lifestyles.
trying foods we've never tasted before.
Sometimes we even discover something new about ourselves.
I love that answer.
Every trip changes us a little.
Even a short trip can create beautiful memories. If you could travel anywhere in the world tomorrow,
Anywhere?
anywhere.
I think I'd choose Switzerland.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I've seen so many pictures of the mountains,
The lakes look amazing too.
and the trains look so peaceful.
I'd love to sit by the window and enjoy the view.
What about you? This is a difficult question, isn't it?
Very difficult.
You can only choose one.
Then I choose Japan.
Great choice.
I've always wanted to see the cherry blossoms.
Me too.
And I'd love to experience Japanese culture,
The food looks delicious.
especially sushi.
I'd probably eat too much.
I think I would too.
Traveling is exciting.
But planning a trip is also very important.
Absolutely.
What's the first thing you usually do?
I decide where I want to go.
That's a good start.
Then I check the weather.
Very smart.
Nobody wants to pack summer clothes for a snowy vacation.
That would be a big mistake.
After checking the weather,
I usually book my tickets,
plane tickets,
train tickets.
or bus tickets.
Then I look for a hotel.
I always read the reviews first,
Why?
because pictures don't always tell the whole story.
That's true.
Sometimes the hotel looks amazing online.
But reality is very different.
Exactly.
Reading reviews can save a lot of trouble.
Packing is another important part of traveling.
Some people pack 1 week before.
Others pack 1 hour before.
Which one are you?
Honestly,
Yes?
the 1 hour before person.
Really?
I'm afraid so.
That sounds stressful.
It always is.
I like making a packing list.
That's much smarter.
First, I pack my clothes,
Then shoes,
my passport,
phone charger,
wallet,
toothbrush,
headphones,
water bottle,
and of course,
snacks.
you know me very well.
No trip is complete without snacks.
Let's learn a few useful travel words.
Great idea.
Destination.
A destination is the place you're going to.
Example: my destination is Paris.
Next word.
Luggage.
Luggage means your bags and suitcases.
Example: I have 2 pieces of luggage.
Another useful word.
Passport.
A passport is an official document that allows you to travel to other countries.
And one more.
Vacation.
Vacation means time away from work or school to relax and travel.
Try saying these words aloud with us.
Destination.
Luggage.
Passport.
Vacation.
That was a wonderful conversation about traveling.
We hope you learned some useful English words and expressions today.
If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
And tell us in the comments, what is your dream travel destination?
Keep practicing English every day.
Keep smiling, keep learning.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye.